Welcome to the Self-Incrimination Clause. Nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. This, of course, means that you can in no way be forced to speak. You can be tried in a case and remain completely silent if that's how you'd like to be. It also protects witnesses from having to testify. This is important because it protects witnesses from being tortured or murdered before they get a chance to speak. This clause of the amendment is the reason that you'll hear people say, "I plead the Fifth." This right is one that in most cases should be taken advantage of. If you've ever seen Cops, you know what I'm talking about. The reason that the people around the time of the Constitution cared so much about this clause was because, of course, of England. Since there were no laws to protect them in England, witnesses could be tortured for information, and that information was viable to use in court. And we all know how reliable people in pain are. Also, you could be forced to testify against yourself. One way that this would happen would be Puritans would be brought into court not knowing whether they were being tried for anything or why they were called there. They would be forced to take the oath ex officio before they were told what was going on. They were then questioned on their religion, where they would either have to lie about it and believe that they were damned to hell, or they would tell the truth and be hanged. Pretty tough choice. Now, because of the way that England ignored these rights that we now take for granted, we are guaranteed these rights no matter what. That's not to say there haven't been trials altering your rights. In 1966, in the trial Miranda versus Arizona, the court decided that anything that the defendant said before the court trial could not be used unless they were read their rights. Court systems felt that Americans didn't know their rights, and this is now why you're read your Miranda rights when you're arrested. Unlike in 1966, however, most Americans know their Miranda rights because of shows like Cops, NCIS, CSI, or any other show where someone's arrested. So if a police officer does not read or recite these laws to you exactly as they are written, anything you say cannot be used against you in court. This was assured in Dickerson versus United States in 2000, where the court decided that your Miranda rights are part of the Fifth Amendment and therefore cannot be overturned by any court. So it's pretty powerful stuff.